too weird. Oh god. Oh, it's filming. Oh my god. Just hop on.
You just got pranked by the earster.
Oh, I hope you know what. Oh, what the hell is that?
I told you I was funny.
Ow. What the crap?
Action.
What?
Action.
He didn't even see you. Alright, just go again. No need to, I'll just cut this. What are you doing? Alright. I'll just cut it off. Go again. Let's go.
1 sec, you're not even on the screen.
You just film it. I know you're filming. Just go.
Okay, you're on the screen. Action.
You just got pranked. Oh, shoot.
Action.
Oh, I hope you know what this means.
Oh, of course I do.
To let the prank war begin. Come on. Yeah, we did. Okay, that's it. The big scrub.
Really? 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 Action.
Oh, shoot. Oh, God.
Let's turn this thing so we can actually see if I'm on.
Alright, let's go again. Alright. Alright, ready?
Oh, yeah, good enough. Okay.
Oh, I hope you know what this means.
Oh, of course I do.
To let the prank war begin. Oh, God. Alright, hopefully we got it this time.
What do you do?
Guess what? I won the first two.
Turn it off.
Action.
What?
I can't see my face. Alright, let's do that again. Alright, I'm gonna have my hat fall off and that'll look good. Okay, so I can actually see it. Alright, go. You can't even see it.
Action.
I think you missed and you got all over the chair.
I reload.
Alright.
And action.
Oh, you keep missing. Oh.
Action. You're dead. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I hear a noise. No. You're dead.
Wait, that was dumb. Okay, do that again.
Of course you did. Alright, ready?
Hold on,
Dude, come on, man. Get your quarter. Dictionary. This'll be in a blooper reel. Oh, wait, I did have a coin. Of course you did. Alright, well, just use one. What do you know? Alright, go.
Okay, action.